basically, what are we going to review right now? So this week, yeah?
Yeah, please. I don't know,
Let me turn on my
but
session.
I really have like
So
not good
Monday,
week.
Monday, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Monday, I think this should be Monday. So yeah. So this is Monday. Cool. All right, that's Monday. This is like the entire price action for this week.
Yeah, the heavy bearish, yeah.
Yeah, so cool. What are the things you basically are struggling with? I think from
Okay, so okay,
from
go on.
what I observed, you're really going through kind of a challenge with liquidity. So even when the right liquidity is being taken, you don't know when to switch your buyers. Yeah. So I think we'll start from here. Let me see. Should we do 4? Coming to 4. So let's this 4 hour time frame here. So one of the things you want to see is, or I want to read from this chart is we have lots and lots of liquidity. This is like a daily liquidity level, daily liquidity level, daily liquidity level. So we have this liquidity sitting right here. So all these lows are liquidity. Now, there's a way you want to look at it, especially when the market is trending. Like I always tell you, because the market takes out a liquidity level, does not mean you will have that deep reversal you're looking for, correct?
Yeah, but at least some rejection.
Yeah, at least some reaction
for us.
Yes, at least some reaction. Yeah, but the problem here is before you get into that move, you would have on the lower time frame, you would have taken a lot of losses before you finally get the original move. Yeah. So this has been like my studies in the last few weeks. So of course we have the principle of waiting for bullish candle close, correct, or bearish candle close. Yeah. So, but the problem is that sometimes you have that candle close, or you don't have the mitigation.
Will just go.
Yeah. You don't have the mitigation.
This is what happened.
Yeah.
Really often.
These are the things we want to look at here, this chart. So we're going to be studying that. We're going to be studying these liquidity levels and how would have reacted from this liquidity level even before the bullish candle close. Get it now? And then how we can also play continuations after liquidity has been taken. You understand that?
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yeah.
So let's just mark out our levels. So we have these levels here, or liquidity levels here. We also have this. Okay, where did we? Okay, yeah. We also have this level here. We also have these levels here. We also have.
And this is exactly what I marked when I was approaching the new week, because I wanted to see like the H1 bullish candle only if some low get taken, you know.
Yeah, I understand your plight, man. We're going to trash that. So we have series of lows here. We also have these lows, but since they are together, we're just going to work with one level. Yeah. So let's see how price reacted to this. Let me go down to 1H. So cool. Monday. This was Monday. Monday. I think I want to start trading just NY now. Like NY, honestly, NY just gives you that move, yeah. Gives you that move you're actually looking for. So cool. what do we find here? This is Monday. So price market opened, and then we have Asian range here.
Yeah.
So let's just keep that in mind. So cool. What we want to see here is, first of all, during London we had, on Monday we had
the liquidity. Yeah.
the liquidity. Now this liquidity, want to study this. This is also a liquidity level. Yeah, these two liquidity levels. Yeah. So how are Asian Monday, like what's it called? London opened at this level. So let me remove the session box. So Monday opened at that level. What do you want to see? First of all, price, we had like a mitigation at this level, yeah? So we had this rejection, price giving us bullish structures. Bearish candle close start to fail at this level. We had this level failing, correct? Now, I want you to also note that the Friday of that day, we had, of the previous week, we had this sell-off from price, correct? So we had
into extreme.
Price
into
took out this liquidity level. We had bullish candle close failing here. Bullish candle close failing here. Correct? We have bullish failing at this level. And then we had external liquidity taken at this level. External liquidity taken at these levels. External liquidity taken at these levels. Correct? So let's mark out. I'm so much interested in external liquidities because these are places where you get your continuation kind of. So we had
just can I stop for a second? So okay, this is where price showed the failure of the buys continue, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and because of this, okay, now target is extreme, right?
Exactly.
At least extreme. Okay.
Yes.
Then, as you said, like I waited for the bullish candle. I saw the bullish candle.
Yep.
I saw the Asia.
Yeah.
So I wanted to take extreme.
Yeah.
This was my buy.
Problem. Yes, exactly. Now I understand your problem very well. Now this is what you should also.
But it's valid, right? Like, the logic is there.
Yeah. Okay. The logic is there, but you want to also understand the fact that price has switched at this level, correct?
Okay.
So we have our extreme mitigation here, which gave us a nice reaction for the buy.
Exactly.
Now, nice reaction for the buy, but we had momentum at this level.
Okay.
Correct. So during Asia, what you want to see now, for me to take a sell from this level, I want to start seeing buy fail. Understand that? I want to start seeing buy levels fail. Now, you were not wrong taking this trade here. I also got in on this level. You were not wrong at all. Yeah, I got in on this level. Now, this is one thing I want you to note. The moment your point of interest, your valid point of interest is being violated, you should have that nerve to switch your bias almost immediately. Because you know, especially when you're trading from the extreme, like extreme here, extreme here. So we were meant to give, price was meant to give us a buy reaction here.
Yeah.
So as soon as this failed, you switch to this. Immediately, there was no need for you to get in, to wait for price to come back to these levels here. There was no need for that. And I will show you why. I will show you why in a bit. So let's do this. Let's come on to the 1M at this level. Sorry, let's come on to 15 minutes at this level. So let me show you something. Now, this is the principle I use. Let me show you what I use exactly. At every liquidity like level, at every sweep, like the H1 sweep, basically, this is what I want to see. I want to see something like this. Let me assume we have like a H1 low here and price sweeps it.
Okay.
Yeah. On the M1,
it should be external, right?
See this. Yes. On the M1, I want to see this. You see this? I want to see this on the M1. The moment I find this on the M1, this shouldn't break. This is one of the things I want to find on the M1. And this also, let me assume this is a liquidity level on the H1.
Okay.
Then price takes it out. On the M1, we had this. And price comes, because there's no like double inducement kind of stuff here. This is like double inducement kind of stuff. Yeah. So if price comes and take out my H1 liquidity level, and I find an instant reaction, not a double inducement, and then price comes back for it, takes it out, and gives me a reaction, this shouldn't break. Yeah. If this breaks, I'm taking this. You understand that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Liquidity has been taken here. We've had our double inducement here. Price should respect this level to give me a buy continuation.
So, that means that you're looking for buy there.
Yes, that's on the M1 now.
Okay.
This is what I do on the M1. So this for us can give you can anticipate the bullish candle close or bearish candle close from this market schematic. You can anticipate a bullish close from this. So if you're getting on this and will have your bullish close, it becomes a strong level on the H1 to play continuation later. You get it now?
Yeah.
Do that again. So how to anticipate a valid bullish or bearish candle close? So we have liquidity here, then price takes it on the M1. On the M1, you want to find a double break, a push away.
So you mean, sorry, you mean this is the first and this is the second one?
No, this is the first.
And where is the then second one?
This is what I want.
You said double break.
Okay, let me show you what I mean by that. Probably.
Okay.
We are conflicting in the terms. So this is H1.
Okay, and this is external liquidity.
H1 low. So on the M1, I want to see this. Price takes out liquidity first on the M1, gives a reaction, and takes out the M1 liquidity again.
Okay, so inducement.
Yes, on the M1.
Okay.
So with this, you can anticipate a bullish candle close from here.
Okay, understood.
So if price comes and takes it out, I'm taking the flip.
Okay.
Get it now? Now, if we had this price coming on the M1, we have a sweep and a rejection that is not a double inducement, and price comes back again and induces it, you can also anticipate a bullish candle close from here.
Okay.
So it must be, if it might be just a single candle inducement, like single candle inducement. It can be a
just need to be the bullish.
Yes,
one.
it could be a structural inducement like this. It could be just 1 minute candle, maybe a buy and a sell, and then you have it. Yeah, like a pivot kind of structure. So we can still have like a structure here, like a very solid structure, 1M structure. Do this. So we can anticipate the bullish H1 bullish candle close from here. And I will show you this just right at the charts here. Yeah. So are we cool with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go down to our. So what do we have here? Yeah. So we have our H1 liquidity level here. Yeah. Now, this is, mind you, this is H1, yeah? This is also a H1 structure here. So can we go down to M1 to check these levels? Now, if it fails, make sure you mark those structures and just keep them there, mark them and wait for price. Yeah. I pray we'll be able to go back to that level. Yeah. Okay. There we have it.
Yeah, we are lucky.
Yeah, we're lucky. So what do we have here? Okay. We have.
Yeah, no inducement.
Yeah. We had this price took out this level here. Look at it. correct? You saw the point where it broke?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
This was the point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had the reaction and further price broke again, correct?
Yeah.
So this was meant to give us the buy that we were looking for a bullish candle close. What happened? It failed here. Correct?
Correct.
Failed at that level. But unfortunately for price, it didn't tap. Probably in some broker it tapped, but I guess I was in this trade too. When it came here, I took it. In fact, I took it because of this. Bearish candle close, sweep, this candle reject, this bearish candle close, and then I got in here.
Okay, I have a question now.
Yeah. You can.
Thing is, why you call this a sweep? Because it's not external.
Which sweep?
You said sweep.
Now you know that what we look for on the higher time frame, the H1, we look for at our entry levels because market is fractal, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm doing this only at my entries. I don't do this at a random zones, especially especially when higher time frame liquidity has been taken. H1 taken. So this is when I do this. So I don't do this at any level here now.
Okay, understood.
You understand now?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so cool. I had this. You could cover this low if you want, this high if you want. But this is our zone for entry. This is our zone for entry. For yourself. I promise.
Yeah.
It will hold. So remember, from this level, because we've had the shift on the higher time frame here, we could easily target the lowest point, correct?
Yeah.
What was the lowest point? Is it here or here? Here, I guess.
I would say this one, right? This is because we have.
Let's check the 5 minutes. Let's check the 5 minutes.
Wait, let me delete.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one.
Yeah, that was the lowest point. So we could target that. And do you know the reason why I will target this and more? Remember, let's go to the H1.
Cool.
Now, on the H1, we had these liquidity levels, this equal low sitting here. We had bearish order flow, correct? H1 violation. And then the next liquidity point that price is most likely to target is something on the higher time frame, these levels. These are the levels price is to target. As soon as this level is gone, and I'll also show you another entry from this level here. So put this in mind. We have our, sorry, let me delete this. Okay, we have, where is this guy? Okay. So we have this level, higher time frame. We have this level also, higher time frame, correct? So let's check the M1 here to anticipate a bullish candle, yeah? Remember, this entry model I'm teaching you is the anticipation for a bullish candle close. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
All right, cool. So let's go to the M1 and find our schematic in anticipation for a bullish candle close.
Okay.
Can we be lucky at this point? Yeah, we're lucky on the first one. All right. So we have it here. So cool. First break.
Yes, there is no entry for the buyer, right?
Yeah. So we have liquidity sweep. I want to see, what do I want to see? I told you I want to see a double inducement.
Yeah, inducement. Yeah.
Yeah. On the 1M, like it could be just one buy to sell, and then we'll have it. It could be that. Then it could be structural like this. So
yeah, just need to get
exactly. So we need to have the second
this.
break for our entry.
Okay.
So which we had, let me delete that. So we had this taking, correct?
Yeah.
Now, it so happened that, let me also say this. It happened that at the second structural break, price also took out a higher time frame level.
Yeah, understood that. So I need another.
Exactly. So we have the sweep here.
So for example, if price print bullish candle there, but so by not taking wait, let me draw again. Okay, so let's say price print bullish candle there.
Yeah.
Okay, but not taking this high.
Yeah.
This low.
Yeah.
This is our entry, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay.
Cool. So we had this level taking again. We had our buy, correct? Taking here.
Yeah.
So this is the anticipation for what? The bullish candle.
Okay. Now again, I have a question. Can you zoom into this?
Should zoom in.
Yeah. Okay. So
okay,
I'm
we had
seeing
this.
a little.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So we had this bullish candle close, taking.
So this is our entry first for the buy, right?
Yeah, where is it? Exactly. That is our entry for the buy. Now look at it. It failed here, correct?
Yeah.
So we are supposed to have like a sell continuation from this point. Am I correct? Like this. We're supposed to have like price, correct?
Yeah.
I told you if it fails, you switch your bias. Correct?
Correct.
All right, so cool. What happened here? You see, this is where the manipulation comes in, and you must learn to spot it as soon as you see it, yeah? So we had that level that was supposed to continue selling price at this level. What happened? It failed. Then they attempted to buy it from here. You see that? Price came here for the buy. It came back again for the buy. You saw the range here, telling you that this was supposed to be a buy continuation area. You see that now?
All right.
This was supposed to be a buy continuation area. What happened? As soon as it fails here, I switch my bias to sell at this level. You see that now?
Well, but wait, let me. So first, price took this one. Okay.
Study it very, very well. I'm waiting for you.
Can you zoom in into this?
Okay.
Okay. So price did this, right? It took this low.
Yeah.
It printed the bullish candle.
Yeah.
That means we are in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So price couldn't, not couldn't. If price breaks this low.
No. This was supposed to be a buy to sell. Yeah, I told you. It took this level, had the buy reaction here. We are supposed, this level is meant to be taken out here. Which price?
So, okay, so you're showing like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So price took it out here. Correct.
Okay, I got it. So okay.
This was supposed to be our entry.
Everything is.
So it broke here, making this level a strong level for sell continuation. Then price violated it. Correct. Making this area a buy continuation area.
Yeah.
what happened? Price took it out, making this area.
And this is the flip, yeah.
Sell continuation area. So do we have the sell continuation? Absolutely. See that now? So we had our sell continuation at this. In fact, I would have waited for it to come, take out some of these liquidities before getting. You could cover this high if you don't mind. Like this is just me, yeah. So let's cover the high just to be on the safe side. 8 pips. So where is the anticipation now?
H1.
H1. I'm coming. H1. So we're selling there. Where are we targeting now? We are targeting
the next low.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This liquidity. So
yeah, okay.
Now you see we don't have a bullish candle close here. There's no bullish, so we're not buying anymore.
Yes.
No bullish candle close, we're not buying. So
but
we are
here. We can look for the buys.
Yeah,
there,
so
right?
here, let's look for our M1 entry to anticipate a bullish candle, correct?
Correct.
At this point. So cool. M1. All right. So I guess this is the point, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
All right. So cool. So sweep, what happened? We have like a buy, and then price took it out. Yeah. So this was supposed to be the entry.
Okay, so I have a question. Would you enter there?
From here? Sure, why not? I will. I will.
Okay.
I will.
Okay.
So as soon as it fails.
When this failed, when this failed, right?
Yeah. When this fails, exactly, you switch.
You switch.
No, there's no point. These are the levels, the entire level. You switch. Especially if you can cover your stop loss, why not? Because if you failed here, price got back to this point, you switch. Next target, this low. Now, there are two things I also look out for. At every liquidity level, let's do this. I didn't mention that as well. So say we have, this. Sorry, that drawing was bad. So we have this on the M1. So price comes here on the, sorry, this is on the H1. So price comes at the extreme. I also look at double boss on the M1 at the extreme. Before the sweep. So I look for this thing at the extreme. I also look for it after the sweep, because we could have this, because sometimes this is what gives you the double break. You get that now?
Yeah.
Sometimes. So sometimes you could have, or this is also sometimes what causes the failure of this.
Okay.
You understand that? So I look out for this. So if the moment price comes into a H1 level, I look out for this. I just mark it out. If I see my double boss, I also mark it out. So anticipating the H1 bullish from here, yeah. If it fails, I take either this level if it's clean, or I take what we call the M1 flip, if you like.
Okay.
You understand that? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this M1 structure, I only look for it at my entry levels, at my H1 sweeps. I don't look for it anywhere else, please.
Understood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't look for it as your daily stuff, like without liquidity being taken, yeah?
Okay, understood.
So at this point, we had
it
this.
should be external. But
yeah.
what about if it takes, for example, H4 low or high?
H4
you can
low
use
or
the
high.
same.
Yeah, H4 daily,
Okay.
H4 daily, or the lowest is H1. I don't go below H1.
Yeah, okay, understood.
Yeah. So you see, we have our double inducement failure, then we take the flip, continue selling. To the next low here. Correct?
Yeah.
So at this point, what do we have? We
Okay,
have
I have a question now.
All right, cool.
Is it so? Okay, this is our higher time frame low, right? Liquidity.
Yeah.
Is it still valid to look for the buys, even if price went far away?
To look for the buys.
Or is
to look for the buys on the
M1.
H1, on the M1.
M1. So
M1.
for example, let's say price took, okay, it's low, it's going down, and then this happened.
I'm not seeing your drawing. All right. Okay, like
is there
all
like
right, yeah.
is there any?
I get your point.
Because now, it looks so
far
like
away from this
low.
level.
Yeah, far. Yeah, exactly.
I always look for it at the close of the level.
Okay.
Because this could be another sweep. Remember, there are levels we didn't mark. Let's go and mark them.
Yeah.
Let's go and mark them and see H1. So let's go back to H1 and mark those levels. Let's get those levels, because if you realize there's a lot of liquidity sitting at these levels here. Yeah, lots and lots of them.
Yeah.
So we had this,
This, yeah.
Exactly. So so that's pretty much what we can find. So we have something inside of it. So so that's the reason why I also consider like this level liquidity. I know price is going to take. So it might be hard for you to get, except price gives you like a bullish candle close. It might be hard for you to anticipate it because we have lots and lots of them here. Do you understand that? So price could just liquidate them once. So price could come test each of them and give you a reaction. So you don't even know what price wants to do. Yeah. So let's go back to those levels. We had, where are we? I think we're here.
I think we are here. We were here. Yeah.
So let's go down to our M1, and this was NY close, around NY close. Let's check, because this also works with session. Perfect. Yeah. NY. So we're anticipating that reversal at NY. So let's see if we can get in on that one. M1.
So it was so trendy market.
Yeah, it was. So what happened here? Look at this perfect example of what I'm telling you now. Look at what happened here. We didn't have our reaction here.
Yeah.
We didn't have our reaction here. So price just went straight and to this guy. I wouldn't take this because we're already close to another liquidity level.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah, so price swept it. Bullish candle close. But so I'm waiting for these levels to be taken.
Yeah.
As soon as it was taken, I would have taken a loss here. I can't lie. This will be my valid loss.
Okay.
Here, but what happened? switch. So we're supposed to buy here, correct?
Yeah.
So price failed us at this point. This was supposed to, I will not continue selling because right now I'm very low at the leg. Yeah, and at a daily level. So I'm just going to wait to watch price. I'm also taking lots of liquidity. And this is NY. So we could get we've been selling since London. So we could get our reversal from this point. So I just want to watch price and see what price does. So what happened here was price took it out again, correct? And gave us this momentum. So at the point of your failure, that was supposed to continue selling, what happened?
Okay. Yeah.
I missed this one. Like I missed this trade, bro. I was there. See that now?
Yeah.
So now we are anticipating our bullish close from here. So where will be your targets if you are trading this level?
H1.
Correct. Liquidity. Sorry.
Yeah, H1.
So our first target is this last liquidity point. See that now? The last one that broke.
Okay.
This one, we left this line. That will be the last. That's the first. That will be like our first reasonable take profit because at this point, market is heavily bearish. So you don't anticipate the buy in one single move, yeah?
Yeah, understood.
So cool. We are looking at these levels for possible reaction. What are we going to wait for or look for to get in on a sell? Bearish candle close, yeah? So we want that bearish candle close